nga ba ang feeling kapag may bagyo habang ikaw ay nasa barko? Ay, Diyos mio! I'm Mommy B and samahan nyo kami ng family ko sa Disney cruise trip namin here in Australia.
We can spend my magic!
Part 2 na to ng day 2 natin sa Disney Cruise at ito nga yung time na manonood na kami ng Frozen Theater Show. Since we watched the first theater show the day before, sabi namin, nako, never ever miss talaga theater show while you're on the cruise. World-class performance talaga. Napakagaling na mga performers and here's Trent with us. He is the executive cruise director. In every performance, halos nandun siya, welcoming everyone and saying thank you to all the guests. Hindi lang talaga kasi pwedeng i-record yung mga performance. So, i-goal nyo na pumunta kayo dito at mapanood nyo itong mga theater shows na to. Grabe talaga, sobrang ganda, I swear. So, balik tayo sa binagyo kami sa barko. During the Frozen show, actually, the movement of the boat was really big. Ramdam na ramdam talaga na nagsusway yung barko. When we went out, there goes the announcement nga about it, but they assured us na we're safe and ginagawa ng captain ng lahat for our safety. Dahil tuloy-tuloy lang yung activities in the cruise, you won't feel na nakakatakot because of the storm. Everyone was so calm. I think this is the time lang where people might get seasick because of the big movements. Pero buti na lang sa amin tatlo, nila Daddy B and Sophie, okay lang naman kami at walang naka-feel na seasick kami. For tonight's dinner, we're dining at the Animator's Palette. Ang ganda! Makikita mo dito yung mga sketches ng Disney characters. Parang ang sarap-sarap mag-drawing, diba? Ewan ko kung ako lang ba, pero gustong-gusto ko nakakakita ng mga ganitong klase ng drawings versus yung may color na. Sige nga, meron ba dito na same nang nafe-feel ko? Ewan ko, kitang-kita kasi talaga yung drawing. Ang cute. As mentioned sa part 1, itong night na to was Pirate Night. Aside sa pirate theme, yung dinner namin, may performance din later sa upper deck and some fireworks. Tignan nyo naman to, dahil Animator's Palette nga dito. Look at this butter knife. I was so tempted to ask kung pwede bang iuwi. Pero syempre, shy tayo at syempre baka bawal, diba? So because it's Pirate Night din, meron nga silang pirate hat yung mga kids dito. Yan, may activity, may crayons din on the table. And then for us, here's our menu. Pirates of the Caribbean menu. Ang cute, diba? For tonight, ang nire-recommend nila is itong satay. So we're gonna have that. Same din with Daddy B. And then gusto niya ng chilled mango soup. For me, mas gusto ko yung carrot and cilantro soup. And for main course, pareho kaming nag-lamb. For fine dining, mabilis dumating. In fairness, yung food nila. Nag-color lang din kami niya ni Sophie. Dumating na din pala yung bread. And ito nga yung favorite ni Sophie before her main food. For that night pala, she ordered salmon and rice with veggies. After a while, dumating na din yung Indonesian chicken satay natin. Same si Daddy B, gaya-gaya talaga. Char. And then, ito naman yung chilled mango soup niya. And here's mine, yung carrot and cilantro soup. For Sophie, dumating na nga yung main course niya at grabe, hinata niya ng malala yung asparagus dyan, tsaka broccoli and carrots. After having our soup, dumating na nga yung lamb and guys, sobrang lambot nito as in. I don't usually eat lamb, pero nagtitiwala ko sa mga servers namin and yun talaga yung recommend nila and grabe, ang sarap talaga. Ang laki-laki pa nung portion. At diba, yan nga yung tsura ko. Wow, sobrang lambot. Ganon. Hindi ko kasi talaga type yung mga lamb, pero itong lamb na to, ang sarap talaga. Tignan nyo man yung gulat ko sa face. Halos patapos na din kami kumain, tapos biglang parang may performance dito. Naglabas sila ng mga pirate flags at ayan, nagle-limbo nga yung mga crew members. They also encourage everyone to stand up and join the party. And alam nyo ba, nakakagulat kasi si Sophie pa yung nag-invite sa amin to join. Like, she was standing up on her high chair, tapos sabi niya, I want to join. Diba? Nakakagulat talaga yung changes sa personality ni Sophie dito sa Australia. And because of that, I'm so proud of her talaga. Nako, nakakatuwa talaga. Look at that, sobrang saya talaga. Amazed din siguro si Sophie how happy everyone was. Sobrang cute. Clap-clap pa nga siya. For dessert, yung kinuha ni Sophie is yung chocolate Mickey Mouse ice cream. Parang ganun. For dessert naman, ito yung kay Daddy B. And ito naman yung sa akin. Yung kay Daddy B, sobrang sarap. After dinner, we still have time. Kaya sumaglit muna kami sa movie theater. First time ni Sophie makapasok sa sinihan at manood. Siyempre, na-explain ko muna sa kanya kung ano yung place na papasukan namin. Ganon. Para naman siyempre hindi siya ma-confuse. When we got back to our room, ang saya-saya, may pa-chocolate na naman si Disney. Thank you din kay ate na nag-aayos ng room namin. Some people ata dumiretso na sila dito after ng dinner nila. So, ang dami ng tao niyan sa baba. So, here's my tip number 10. If you want a good spot, make sure to be extra early for the shows, like 30 minutes before. Dapat niya nakapila ka na sa theater or pwesto ka na where you want sa mga ganitong klaseng shows. Because most likely everyone will be here. It was very cold that night, as in grabe, tas sobrang hangin din. Kaya kita niya naman, naka-jacket talaga kami. Si Daddy, balot na balot yarn. Ang ganda din talaga ng shows at night. If only siguro we had a good spot, we would have enjoyed it a lot. Though, kahit naman medyo nasa gilid lang kami and mostly we were just looking at the screen, okay pa din naman because of the energy present during that time. May mga buwis buhay performance din pala sila dito. Like yan, bumababa sa rope, tapos nagsi-zipline. Ako, nakakaloka. Nung na-meet pala namin si Captain Hook, Sophie was looking for Mr. Smith. Sayang di niya nakita kasi nga medyo malayo talaga. And then, ayan, grabe talaga yung hiyawan kapag si Mickey Mouse na yung lalabas. Sobrang galing lang and at the same time nakakakaba kasi 'di ba mascot siya tapos oh my gosh magzi-zipline siya. Yun nga lang na hindi ka nakapang mascot 'di ba? Parang medyo nakaka-nervyos na habang nagzi-zipline. Pero tignan niyo naman ang Mickey Mouse ninyo. Oh, enjoy na enjoy pa nga. Then they released the fireworks and that's how we ended our night. Alam nyo, grabe yung isang araw dito sa ship. Akala mo ilang araw na talaga yung nakalipas. Sobrang dami ng nangyayari sa life inside the ship. By the way, that night pala, malaki yung waves. Kaya for the balance kami during the entire show. Oh, I hope you had fun kasama namin. For those of you asking where we're going, so as you know, we left Sydney and we're traveling by ship within Australia. And we're going to this beautiful island called Tasmania. Say hi. Hi. Where are you?
In the Disney Cruise.
Disney Cruise. Nako, madami pang mangyayari kaya abangan. Love, love.
Hi, I'm here with the Bellas family. We're in the Disney One having an amazing time, aren't we? Yes. This little one was just on stage as Elsa, am I right? You were Elsa on stage singing? You were so good. You're so good. Hi everybody. Thank you.